Hi, welcome to my channel, and please subscribe. Today, let's see how to prepare a perfect hot chocolate like a barista. Now let's make a perfect hot chocolate. It's a professional barista style hot chocolate. All you need is 2 ounces of unsweetened baking chocolate. That is equivalent of 56 grams of unsweetened baking chocolate. 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. 4 cups whole milk. 1 pinch salt. Half teaspoon pure vanilla extract. For the garnish, light whipped cream and chocolate drizzle. In a 2-quart saucepan, place the chocolate, sugar, milk, and salt. Over medium to low heat, stir until the chocolate melts and the mixture is well blended. Remove from the heat and stir in the pure vanilla extract. Pour the hot chocolate into mugs and top with a spoonful of whipped cream, along with chocolate drizzle. This recipe yields 4 servings. Enjoy your perfect decadent hot chocolate. There are so many varieties of hot chocolate available in various parts of the world. I like Mexican hot chocolate very much. Comment your favorite hot chocolate varieties on comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.